This is Angus from Get Packed, looking at our PackMATE MG80 manual dispenser. You start the tape with the wheel here, pull out your desired length, you've got a blade there to cut, on your box. You've got a sealed box, just like that. It's a really easy dispenser to use. It's a nice heavy base, so it doesn't move on the table easily. You've got up to 185 meters in the dispenser, so it's quite long. A nice sharp blade that cuts straight, unlike other manual dispensers with the serrated blades that get caught in your reinforced tapes and leave you with a dodgy cut line. This is straight across. You can put in your 72mm reinforced tapes as well. It'll cut through those like no problem. I'll try and fit one of those now. We just lift up our back handle here, roll comes off, new roll goes on just as easy. Move our guide out of the way. We just feed under our wheel here. Pull it through. Tape on our box. Just as easy. Perfect cut every time. If you've got any inquiries, you can reach out to us on our sales inbox, sales@getpacked.com.au, or our phone number, the website below.